load back on. There's all these little gator spikes. Here's all these little prints. Shit, we can't find none. It's my buddy Cody.
What?
Oh shit, you're gonna step on stuff. Doing my sock. I'm gonna sink down here. We're on a trail with some gators. And we're in some slushy, mushy stuff, you can see. Yeah.
Oh.
Back there is amazing. We gotta climb on trees. I'm about to take you away. How I climbed.
Well, no,
I have to go that way.
Oh, I hate getting out of this, man.
It's easy to get out. It was harder getting in.
We actually gotta get out, man. You know why?
Because
We gotta leave pretty soon.
yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
I'm all muddy now, damn it.
Damn. Can y'all see this? This is amazing
I
though.
think this is a bad idea.
We're going out. We're getting out of here. Ready?
I don't wash my feet at either. Wow.
Look at my drill. On the trees, to count on them, indeed. To cross over the swampy parts of the forest, indeed. Do-do. Oh shit. I'm still alive. He's still active. Alright, hold on. There's a big pterodactyl.